Hey guys, so I had to show you these gloves that I just got. Now this has made cooking so much easier for me. I am a person, I love to cook, I love to be in the kitchen, but I don't like touching certain meats. I just don't like touching it. So I was forcing myself to do it and things were okay. But having these gloves makes me feel so much better because when I'm done making meatballs or seasoning my chicken and massaging all the seasonings in, I can take these gloves off and throw them away, and that is that. Now these gloves are so cool because first off, they are super strong. Have you ever tried those gloves? You try to put them on and your fingers poke through the tip? Not in these gloves. They are very durable and they are puncture resistant. Now they are also powder free because you don't want all that around your food area. Now they are also latex free, so that is not a problem either. I love how freely that I can move in them. I got mine in the size small, but they come in a variety of sizes. Now this is perfect for me for cooking and cleaning and everything else. So I just wanted to show you one of my favorite kitchen products right now.